Hey, and welcome to another edition of the Sloppy Bro Show. I'm your host, Marcus. For those of you just tuning in, you're asking what the Sloppy Bro Show is all about. Basically, it's just me running my mouth about things that I'm passionate about. Sometimes it's politics, sometimes it's music, sometimes it's, whatever. Movies. I talk about everything. Here lately, though, I ain't gonna lie, it's been pretty much about politics. But today's video is pretty much going to be really short, just kind of be an explanation of things. I know I've been, trying to do a live podcast, on Friday nights, and let's be honest, the last 3 weeks haven't gone too well. But, it's really forced me to sit down, get on Google, try to figure some shit out. So, as far as last week's podcast went, we actually had a really good one with Jay. We had a real good hour long conversation talking about everything from the Proud Boys to the trial of Roger Stone and to, the impeachment and, are we living in a police state? All that shit. Really good. I put it on private because I'll be honest, I'm embarrassed with it. Jay's audio and video came out perfect. My video looked good, but the sound quality sucked. Because apparently, what I didn't realize is that with these condenser microphones, they come in mono. And for you to get the left and right channels to work properly where you're getting sound in both of them, there's a couple of tricks you have to do using GarageBand that I wasn't aware of, but now I've figured it out. So basically, this whole video is just going to be a test to see if what I've read and learned actually works the way it's supposed to. But that being said, for all you new guys and for you guys that have been with me since day one, I really appreciate the time and patience, and not bailing on me. Uh, so for you new guys, if you would, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, but also hit that notification bell. That notification bell is a lot more important because every time I upload a video, it lets you know you can go check it out. Because the way YouTube and their algorithm works, if it comes to videos that they don't really like or approve of, they kind of hide that shit. So it makes it harder for you to see it. But hitting that notification bell eliminates that issue. So hopefully going forward, this video turns out pretty good, sounds good, and whatnot. Hopefully going forward, I've got all the bugs ironed out. So maybe come this Friday, I could have a really good live stream and you guys can get involved, with the comment section. And hell, I'll even throw up a phone number so you can call in if you want to. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up so I can get it pulled into my editing software, make sure everything's working correctly. And then, you know what, I might just upload it so you guys can see it. Anyway, once again, thanks for tuning in. As always, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.